How is Jalsa different to other gatherings?
Well, it's just the presence of Khilafat and everybody. They don't know everybody.
No, you don't.
But it just feels like,
Yeah.
There's no fights happening, people aren't quarrelling.
That's the main thing. Because when I think about other festivals, you've got other events, you've got a massive police presence, you've got a massive presence of organisation. When you come to the car park of Jalsa Salana UK, you've got about 20 people who are controlling hundreds of cars and thousands of people. And nobody's fighting, nobody's arguing, they're just doing what they're told. And I think you can't find that serenity and obedience, not anything like this anywhere else.
You know, when you hear about these things, all these people go crazy and things. And when you compare it with Jalsa, it's all about harmony. People are at peace, and that's the main thing.
The Prophet Muhammad also said that don't take this gathering as any other gathering, but take this as a special gathering because it's from God.
When you hear poems of the Prophet Messiah in comparison to music, you feel that you are getting closer to God.